afternoon, students. Yesterday I have explained you lesson number 8, the simple present tense. Today I will explain you exercise. First, circle the verbs in the simple present tense in these sentences. First one, plants give us oxygen. They keep their toys in the red toy box. His mother fries delicious samosas. They swim in the village pond. Radha brushes her teeth before going to bed. Miss Roy teaches us science. In these sentences, give, keep, fries, swim, brushes, and teaches. All these are verbs. Okay. Number B. Complete these sentences with the simple present tense of the words given in the bracket. Here some verbs are given in the brackets and we will put correct form of these verbs. Mita. Mita is a singular noun and it is also a name. So we will put es with the do. So it became does. Okay. Salim. It is also a singular noun. So we will put es with the wash. So it became washes. Many animals. Animals are plural. So we will not put s or es with the live. Sun singular. So we will put gives. Watchman singular. So we will put wears. My grandmother. It is also a plural noun. So we singular noun. So we will put brushes. Next, complete these sentences with the simple present tense of the words in the box. The food tastes very good. She washes her hands before eating. Somi draws beautiful pictures. The candle burns brightly. Mr. Prasad knocks on the door. Bees sting. She cleans her own room. Mother buys mangoes from this shop. Only in this exercise, only bees are plural, so we will not put s or es in this verb. Okay, all these are singular, so we have put s or es with these verbs. Now, exercise D, rewrite these sentences using do not, does not. I like ice cream. If there will be s or es with the main verb, then we will put does not, or if there will be not any s or es, then we will put do. There is no s or es, so we have put do not. Yes swims on the weekends. There is s, so we have put does not. They visit us often. There is no s or es, so we have put yes do not. They do not visit us often. You play football. There is no s or es with the play, so we have put do not. Soumya cooks. There is s, so we have put does not. It sits under the tree. There is s, so we have put does not here. Okay, it does not sit under the tree. Next, answer these questions using the words given in the brackets. Where does your father go every day? Market. So the answer will be my father goes to the market every day. When does the train leave? There is answer 8 o'clock. So the answer will be the train leaves at 8 o'clock. Where does your mother live? My mother lives in Pune. Does Aunt Sushant scold you? There is answer no. So we will put no. Aunt Susan does not scold me. Do bees sting? It is plural. So we will put yes. Bees sting. The answer will be yes. Does Tony play basketball? No. Tony does not play basketball. The words given in the bracket, we will use them as an answer of these questions. Write the questions for these answers using the words given in the brackets. Put a question mark at the end of each question. Do owls hoot at night? Yes, owls hoot at night. Why we have put here do? Because owls are plural. Grandfather, grandfather is singular, so we will put does. Jose lives in Goa, so the question will be where does Jose live? I study in the evening, so question will start with when. When do you study? Yes, Ravi studies in class 3. Ravi is a singular, so we will put does. I eat dinner at 8 p.m. So the question will start with what time. What time do you eat dinner? Write questions using who, what, or which without using do or does. Some question words are given in the bracket, so we will use here. Somebody teaches you maths. Who teaches you maths? A boy sits next to Rahman in class. Which boy sits next to Rahman in class? Some of you like adventure films. Which of you like adventure films? Somebody lives next to the bicycle shop. Who lives next to the bicycle shop? Something seems to be difficult. What seems to be difficult? And the last exercise, complete this story with the words in the box. It is a clue box. The words are given here. We will put it here. One day Pankaj finds a treasure map. He sets off to find the treasure. He walks a long way and reaches a dense forest. There he sees a strong but friendly lion. Pankaj asks Lion to join him in the treasure hunt. Lion agrees to join him. Pankaj feels safe with Lion by his side. Soon they come to a desert and meet Camel. Camel agrees to help them cross the desert. Camel carries them on his back. Soon they reach a river and meet Turtle. Pankaj asks Turtle to help them to cross the river. They climb onto Turtle's back. Turtle swims across the river. There they meet Owl and ask him about the treasure. The wise old owl tells them that they have already found the treasure. They are surprised. Owl tells them that they have found the treasure of friendship. You will fill all these exercise only with the pencil. Thank you.